Hello everyone. Today Ryder Bird is going to do my
makeup.
Good. So the first thing she picked up was the blue eyeliner. This is your craft. Let's do a cheek.
Yeah.
What do you think? You want to do a cheek?
Yeah.
Okay. What cheek do you think we should do? Do you want to do this cheek or this cheek? Okay. Which one? Which one? This one. Okay. And I'll let you grab the brush. Go ahead. And I'll let you kind of get in there. Okay. You know where to put it on? Where to put it? Okay, go ahead. Good. Good job. Now the other cheek. Good job, Ryder. Let's try a shadow. Shadow. You could say shadow. So I'm going to show her different shadows. She loves makeup. So they're really pretty. There's like different shades there. So we'll kind of see which one she wants to do here. You like it? She likes the pink one. And which color do you like for me? But really look at my eyes. Which one? Which one? She's going to kind of go for it. She likes the purple. No, this, well, there you go, on the eyes. She goes back to the purple. Very good, very good. Right here, this side. Oh, and the yellow too.
There you go.
Okay, so we have all these too. Which ones do you like? This one?
Yeah.
She likes this kind of orange colored one. So we'll let her get in there. It's kind of, I guess it's gold. No, orange gold. Oh, wow, that's a lot. On the eye. Good job. A little bit more. A little bit more. Good. On the eye, Ryder. She's learning. On the eye. Good.
Ooh.
A star stamp on me?
Yeah.
Okay, try it. Oh, you can poke my eye out. Ooh.
Yay! Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. Which lipstick do you want me to wear?
Blue.
The middle?
Yeah.
Okay, where does this lipstick go? Good. No, good.
I'm working.
You're okay. It's working. Push harder. Good. It's working. Top. I guess this is a blush.
Yeah.
So this goes on the cheeks, here and here. So go ahead. Put it on the cheeks.
Okay.
Good. And
Okay.
cheek. Good. Very pretty. It's very pretty. It's kind of a bluish, like eyeshadowy type situation. I look bruised. Okay, go ahead. Ooh. Put it, now this is actually not for the lips, but you could probably put it on the lips. Good job, Ryder. Do it on the eyes. Cool. Nice.
Mama.
I'm okay. I'm okay. Other eye. Pretty?
Yeah.
You like?
Okay.
She wants to hold it. She wants to control. Okay, I think we got that going on. And here's the end result. Here's my makeup that she did. I think she did a pretty good job. I think I look fantastic. Do you love makeup?
Yeah.
How much do you love makeup? Like a lot? Oh.
Bye.